Bitcoin price prediction. Billion-dollar firm Bitwise says BTC will hit $1 million by 2035. Is BTC about to replace the dollar forever? Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Crypto writer. Arslan Butt. Crypto writer. Arslan Butt. About author. Arslan Butt is an experienced webinar speaker, market analyst, and content writer specializing in crypto, forex, and commodities. He provides expert insights, trading strategies, and in-depth analysis. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated. August 28, 2025. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Bitcoin price prediction. Bitwise, one of the largest crypto investment managers, projects Bitcoin could reach $1.3 million by 2035. The firm argues that Bitcoin's fixed supply makes it the ultimate hedge against mounting U.S. debt, fiscal deficits, and a weakening dollar. Ray Dalio, in a June 2025 note, echoed this logic. Governments facing unsustainable debt loads typically resort to lowering interest rates and devaluing their currencies. Bitwise highlights striking data. U.S. federal debt now exceeds $36 trillion, half of which has been added in the last decade. Annual interest payments alone have soared to $952 billion, now ranking as the fourth largest federal budget expense. With debt accelerating faster than GDP, the firm argues fiat currencies are locked into a cycle of debasement, boosting the case for scarce assets like Bitcoin. U.S. debt, $36.2 trillion, up 55% in 10 years. Annual interest cost, $952 billion. Dollar purchasing power, down 40% in a decade. The dollar's eroding dominance. Beyond U.S. domestic pressures, global shifts are underway. Nations such as China, Russia, and BRICS allies are reducing reliance on the dollar in trade and reserves. Data shows the dollar's share of global reserves has steadily declined, while central banks explore alternative stores of value. Bitwise notes that over a dozen governments now hold Bitcoin, signaling its growing role in reserve diversification. Although the dollar will not disappear overnight, its influence appears to be diminishing. The $12 trillion global reserve market offers an opening for Bitcoin, which already commands a $2.3 trillion market cap. Proposals to rebalance reserves, including in the US and Europe, underline how Bitcoin is gaining legitimacy as a parallel store of value alongside gold. BTC price outlook. Long-term targets. Bitwise forecasts institutional investors could allocate 1 to 5% of portfolios to Bitcoin, representing $1 to $5 trillion in inflows over the next decade. ETFs already hold $170 billion worth of BTC, a sign this process is underway. With 21 million coins as the maximum supply and only 1.1 million left to be mined, scarcity is expected to magnify future demand. Bitcoin currently trades near $112,500, consolidating after a pullback. Technically, The next test lies at $116,850. A breakout could trigger moves toward $120,900 and $124,500. Traders see $105,000 as the key support. Short-term, momentum indicators such as RSI and MACD suggest buyers are regaining control, while the broader thesis points to a long-term rally. Bitwise baseline forecast is $1.3 million by 2035, with an optimistic scenario projecting $2.9 million, equivalent to a 39% annualized return. For investors, the firm argues Bitcoin is no longer a speculative trade but an emerging pillar of global finance, potentially reshaping the dollar's dominance in the decades ahead. Pre-sale Bitcoin Hyper, Dollar Hyper, combines Bitcoin security with Solana speed. Bitcoin Hyper, Dollar Hyper, is positioning itself as the first Bitcoin-native Layer 2 powered by the Solana Virtual Machine, SVM. Its goal is to expand the Bitcoin ecosystem by enabling lightning-fast, low-cost smart contracts, decentralized apps, and even meme coin creation. By combining Bitcoin's unmatched security with Solana's high-performance framework, the project opens the door to entirely new use cases, including seamless BTC bridging and scalable dApp development. The team has put strong emphasis on trust and scalability, with the project audited by Consult to give investors confidence in its foundations. Momentum is building quickly. The pre-sale has already crossed $12.5 million, leaving only a limited allocation still available. At today's stage, Hyper tokens are priced at just $0.012815, but that figure will increase as the pre-sale progresses. You can buy Hyper tokens on the official Bitcoin Hyper website using crypto or a bank card. Click here to participate in the pre-sale. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Cardano and Dogecoin by the end of 2025. XRP MasterCard launches today. Gemini supports soul mining XRP contracts to unlock daily opportunities. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Shiba Inu and Chainlink by the end of 2025. City executive warns stablecoin interest payments could drain bank deposits like the 1980s crisis. XRP price prediction. Whales by $758 million in 8 days. $10 XRP run now officially underway. Price analysis. Bitcoin price prediction. Support level is starting to crack. Is the market bracing for a flash crash to $100,000? 2 days ago, by Arslan Butt. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Massive MasterCard deal goes live. Rally to $10 begins now. 2 days ago, by Simon Chandler. Price analysis. Cardano price prediction. Whales take ADA off exchanges. A 500% supply squeeze rally is starting. 1 day ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in August 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in August 2025. Top new crypto coins. 2 days ago, by Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago, by Alan Draper. 15 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in August 2025. 15 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 15 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 7 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. Just now, by Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025, by Ben Beto.